What is going on, guys? This is APMC, and welcome to a Minecraft tutorial, the first one that I've ever made. In this one, we're going to be looking at the 2018 Refine Pop Out of the Wall crafting table. I made my previous build, which I built like a year and a half ago, smaller, way smaller. It was this big, and now it's this big. So, yeah, that didn't actually take that long to compact. But anyways, this is what it looks like. It's pretty cool, and if you want to run in a redstone line from somewhere else, you run it into this right here. So if you want to run in like a T-flip or something, as you can see, it still works just fine. Now, if you're building this in survival mode, you'll need 12 building blocks, 1 input, 3 sticky pistons, 5 redstone repeaters, 1 observer, 1 redstone torch, 8 redstone dust, 1 regular piston, and your crafting table. So, for the tutorial, just give me a second. Almost done. Okay, now for the tutorial, it's not gonna take that long, and you're gonna need to clear out a 3x4 area, and it goes 1 block below your floor, and this is the wall. So, in order to build this thing, you'll need that never happened. In order to build this thing, you need to place down your sticky piston here, and regular piston there, both facing upwards, with a redstone repeater set to 1 tick, then 2 redstone repeaters, both set to 4 ticks. And on these 2 blocks, you want 2 redstone dust with a line of redstone that goes up 2 blocks, like so. Then right here, you want a block with a block like that, and redstone on both of them, with a redstone torch right there. And then I need to check this. If you're in 1.12, you'll want to place in your observer right now, right there, otherwise it will probably break everything. And then you'll want to place in a block there, and there, with a redstone torch there set to 4 ticks, then a redstone repeater, not a redstone torch, a redstone repeater here set to 2 ticks, with redstone dust there, and there, with sticky pistons there, and your crafting table right there, and it should work. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope that you found it useful inside your awesome base. And if you did, please make sure to hit that like button. And if you're new, make sure to subscribe and then hit that bell really hard, so that way you will stay updated on everything that you've ever wanted to be updated in your life ever. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you all in the next video. Goodbye!